So the write the complex number 2 minus 3i into 3 plus 4i in the form a plus ib. A plus ib. So always take the given complex number as there. Okay. So let I am taking. Okay. Z is equals to 2 minus 3i into 3 plus 4i. 3 plus 4i. Okay. So now we multiply, right? The simplest form means 2 into 3, 2 into 4i. Okay, so multiply by multiplying 2 into 3, 2 into 3 plus 2 into 4i. Okay, as well as multiply by minus 3i into 3 minus 3i into 4i. Okay, so minus 3i into 3 minus 3i into 4i. This is equals to 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8i minus 3 3s are 9i minus 3 4s are 12i into I square. Okay, so that is 6. Writing the real term separately, imaginary term separately. Okay, so minus 12 I square term is a real term only. Okay, so minus 12 into I square value is minus 1. That's why it is a real term. 6i minus 9i minus I minus I. So here we used the formula I square is equals to minus 1. So minus 12 minus 1 plus 12. 6 plus 12 is 18 minus I. What he is asking to write the okay complex number in the a plus ib form. So a plus ib form means exactly a plus I into b. B is minus 1 here. Okay, 18 plus I into minus 1. Now it is in the form of a plus ib form. Is it in the a plus ib form or not?
Yes.
Yes, a plus ib form. Okay, so now once look at this question. Write the conjugate of 3 plus 4i into 2 minus 3i. Okay, so let I am taking the given complex number z is equal to 3 plus 4i into 2 minus 3i. Okay, similarly multiply. Okay, 3 into 2, 3 into 3i, 3 into 3i. So now this is equals to 3 into 2 plus 3 into minus 3i. Okay, after that multiply 4i into 2, 4i into minus 3i. Okay, so now this plus 4i into 2 plus 4i into minus 3i minus 3i. Okay, so 3 twos are 6, plus and minus, minus 3 3s are 9i, plus 4 twos are 8i. Okay, minus, plus and minus, minus 4 threes are 12, I into I square, I into I square. So now 6 minus 12 into I square value minus 1, so it is real. Minus 9i plus I is minus I. So here minus 12 minus 1 plus 12. So 6 plus 12 is 18. 18 minus I. 18 minus I. If you want to write it in the a plus ib form, but here it is not compulsory. What is compulsory? He is asking to write the conjugate. Okay. So now conjugate. Okay, conjugate of z is equals to a plus ib is okay. So z bar is equals to a minus ib. This is a formula here. Conjugate is nothing but just to change the sign in the middle. Okay. So now what is conjugate of z? Conjugate
18
of
plus I.
very good. Conjugate of z is equal to 18 minus I. This is z bar is equals to 18 plus I. This is the required conjugate. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, next. Write the complex number in the form a plus ib. So here he gave one complex number and asking to write the a plus ib form again. Same. Okay. So first take the given complex number, whatever it is given. So take that complex number. So here, what is given complex number? Let z is equals to a minus ib divided by a plus ib. A minus ib divided by a plus ib. So now I am taking a minus ib divided by a plus ib. Okay, multiply and divide. Multiply and divide. So a minus ib divided by a minus ib. Okay, so rationalizing with the conjugate. Why we are rationalizing? To remove the complex number from the denominator. Whenever we have a complex number in the denominator, I term, I form in the denominator, we remove that complex number by rationalizing it. By rationalizing. Rationalizing is nothing but we multiply and divide by the conjugate. Okay. So now a minus ib into a minus ib in the numerator, a plus ib into a minus ib in the denominator. Direct formula we have. Okay. So now this is equals to a into a. First one is a into ib minus a into ib minus ib into a minus into minus plus ib into ib whole square or I square b square whole divided by a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, a square minus b square. B square is ib whole square. Ib whole square is nothing but I square b square. I square b square. So here a into a square. Next, I square value is minus 1. I am writing in the front side minus 1 into b square minus a ib iba iab iab minus 2 iab or 2ab I whole divided by okay a square minus of I square value minus 1 plus b square. Here what formula we used here? Okay, we used the formula I square is equals to minus 1. I square equals to minus 1. Okay, so now after this, okay, a square minus b square, okay, divided by, so in the denominator, once observe carefully, a square minus plus a square plus b square. I am writing that a square plus b square separately for the real part minus, okay, I into 2ab, other than I what we have 2ab there, but we want plus in the middle, a plus ib form.
Yes.
So keep plus in the middle and take minus sign. Okay, so divided by a square plus b square, a square plus b square. Okay. Now this is in the a plus ib form. Is it in the a plus ib form? Yes. Okay. So next, find the multiplicative inverse of 7 plus 24i. So first, take the given complex number as z. Z is equal to 7 plus 24i. 7 plus 24i. Now, I am taking the multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse is equal to 1 by z. 1 by z is nothing but 1 divided by 7 plus 24i. 7 plus 24i. So 1 divided by 7 plus 24i into. So now once observe carefully, we have the denominator in the we have the complex number in the denominator. So to remove the complex number from the denominator, you rationalize. Okay, 7 plus 24i. Okay, so we rationalize with the conjugate 7 minus 24i. Multiply and divide by the 7 minus 24i. Now, so now what we get? This is equals to 7 minus 24i. This is as it is, whole divided by a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. 24i whole square, that is 24 square and I square. So now this is equals to 7 minus 24i whole divided by 7 square. What is 7 square? 49 minus 24 square. What is 24 square? Do you know how to find the 24 square easily? 24 square. Okay. Do you know how to find?
No.
Little bit easy. First take the right side number 4. 4 square is 16. 4 square is 16. Okay.
Yes.
So 1 carry. Multiply all the numbers together. 2 4 is 8. 8 to the 16. 16 plus 1. 17. Okay. This one as it is carry. 2 square 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. That's it. 576. Means what we are doing here. So briefly I'll explain once again. First to take the 4 square. Okay, multiply all the numbers together in the middle. 2 into 4 into 2. And left side number 2 we have. So left side number square in the left side. When we get the digits more than 1. Okay, so carry forward. Okay.
Okay.
So this is a short form. Okay, so and it will help you for getting the accurate answer as well as okay, so fast answer.
Yes.
And 24 square is 576. 576 and I square value minus 1. Okay. Now so this is equals to 7 minus 24i whole divided by 49 plus 576. How much we get? 576 plus 49 is 625. Here what we have to do for adding easily, if we want to add, so 49. Okay, so if we add 4 to this, how much it becomes? 80, right?
Yes.
Okay, more if you add 20, it becomes 600. Okay, making round figures by adding 4 is less to 80, so adding 4 to this. Okay, now it is 480. For this 480, if you add 20, okay, it becomes 500. Becomes 500. Sorry, 576, right? 600. It becomes 600. Okay, so now how much is extra? We are adding 49. In 49 already we took out 24. More how much
Yes.
is there?
25.
25. So that 25 is 625. Okay, so this is a method. Okay, so that easily we can add. Okay, so
Yes.
in our mind. So for faster mind calculation, you can use this method. Okay, this method popularly known as. Do you know the name of the method?
Rounding off.
Huh?
Rounding off.
Rounding up. Okay, so so I kept the name. I learned this method from Kirana shop owner.
Oh,
So I call this as
I.
Kirana shop method. Why? Because so Kirana shop owners mostly they are uneducated, but anyhow
Yeah.
they'll give correct change.
Hmm.
Sometimes we'll only confuse, but they never get confused. They'll give correct
Yeah.
change. How they
Hmm.
give, for example, you took some 600 and you purchased of 576. How they give the remaining amount? First they give 4 rupees change and they'll say now it is 580. Okay, round figure
Yes.
580, and then they'll give the remaining 20 rupees. It is very easy, no need of calculator, carrying, nothing, nothing is there.
Yeah.
So usually we will follow the difficult method. We are only following the difficult method. They are following very easy method. So we can use that method. Okay. So I learned from them. I am teaching to you. Okay. So you also use this method. Okay. So that you can calculate very fast. Okay.
Yeah. I actually use this method from playing hand cricket.
What?
Hand cricket. I
Hand
used to
cricket.
play it in school. Yeah.
Hand cricket.
I used to play it in school like when I was in 8th or something.
Okay.
So in that you have to like add numbers really quickly. So we use that method.
Yes. Yes.
Mhm.
Okay. So almost like that only. Usually we'll also call this as rounding off to numbers. Okay.
Mm.
Here 576. How much is less? First we have to add that. Okay, so that calculation becomes
Yeah.
easy. Okay. So now here, what is the question here? Is asking the multiplicative inverse of 7 plus 24i. This is only multiplicative inverse. If you want in the simplified form, a plus ib form, you can write, but that is not compulsory. Okay, 7 divided by 625. Okay, plus I into minus 24 here divided by 625. A plus IB form exactly. Or we can write, okay, 7 by 625 minus 24 by 625 I. Okay, so like this exact A plus IB form means, okay, so we can use like this. Okay, but he is not asking, just he is asking. Okay, so multiplicative inverse. Okay, that's why either you can write this or you can write this or you can write this. Okay, so here if you note down this rough work also, then it's better. Okay, so I am marking this rough. Okay. Okay, in this we have two methods, right?
Yes.
Okay, so one is finding the square and the another one is, what is another one?
Rounding off.
Kirana shop method.
Yeah.
Okay, so sometimes why I kept the name I am, okay, so the reason is whenever we have funny things, okay, the
Mm.
brain will remember easily. Okay, I learned from them and I kept the name like that only. So for brain it is easy. Okay, so whenever we are adding and subtracting, so Kirana shop owners will give the change like this. How they give? Very easily they'll give. Okay, so you observed any time?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, Kirana shop owners, bakeries. Okay, so wherever you go, mostly they'll give the change like that. First they give change and they'll rounding up to some number and then remaining amount. Well, okay, it is easy for you, easy for them. Okay, there is no
Yes.
confusion. But if they teach you normal method, okay, so we get confusion. Okay, regular method only will give the confusion in the common people. Okay, now next question. Okay, next is the same way. Express 1 minus I whole cube into 1 plus I in the form of a plus ib. So you try to simplify this, or otherwise ask me, I'll explain now or afterwards. First a minus b whole cube form we have to simplify, then multiply with 1 plus I. Finally we want a plus ib form. Write the conjugate of 2 plus 5i into minus 4 plus 6i. Now multiply, we multiply. Okay, so like this, 2 into minus 4, 2 into 6 minus 5i into minus 4, 5i into 6i. Okay, after multiplying, we get a plus ib form. After converting into a plus ib form, we change the sign in the middle. A plus ib becomes a minus ib, conjugate. Okay, don't change in the starting. Okay. So find the real and imaginary part of the complex number. After converting into a plus ib form, this is real part, this is imaginary part. A is real part, ib is imaginary part, means without I. We write the imaginary part without I. Okay, find the multiplicative inverse of sin theta comma cos theta. So first we write sin theta plus I sin theta, comma, if you remove the comma, okay, we can write sin theta, this is real part, plus I into cos theta, this is imaginary part, 1 by z, write 1 by z into something and rationalize it by taking minus, multiply and divide. So then simplify, we get the multiplicative inverse. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts still here?
No.
No. Okay. So next, find the square root of 3 plus 4i. Shall we stop or continue?
We can continue.
Okay. So square root related problem. This is square root of z is equals to under root of a plus ib is equals to, okay, so plus or minus root of r plus a divided by 2 plus I into under root of r minus a divided by 2. This is the formula for finding the square root. Okay, where r is equals to under root of a square plus b square. Okay, so a plus ib, this is a plus ib. Okay, here what is given? Okay, so given complex number z is equals to 3 plus 4i. What is a value? 3. What is b value? ib, that is 4. B value
Yes.
is 4. Okay, now find the r value. Find the value of r. R is equals to under root of x square plus y square or a square plus b square. Okay, a square plus b square under root of a square 3 square b square 4 square. Okay, 9 plus 16. What is 9 plus 16? 9 plus 16 value. How much? 25, right? 25 is
Yes.
5. Now find the square. Apply it. Okay, substitute in this. Okay, so square root of z is equals to plus or minus under root of r. R is 5 plus a plus 3 divided by 2 plus I into under root of r. R is 5 minus a minus 3 divided by 2. Okay. Now this is equal to plus or minus under root of 5 plus 3, 8. 8 by 2 is 4 plus I into 5 minus 3, 2. 2 by 2 is 1. Okay, root 1. Okay, now what is root 4? 2 plus root 1 is 1 only. So 2 plus I. Okay, what is the required solution? Plus or minus 2 plus I. Okay, understood?
Yes.
Okay, we'll solve one more problem in the same method. Okay, so that you will get more clarity. Okay, so square root of z is equals to under root of a plus ib. This is equal to plus or minus r plus a divided by 2 under root plus I into under root of r minus a divided by 2. Okay, so now yes, z is equals to 7 plus 24i. Here a value is 7, and b value is 24. B value is 24. Okay, so what is the value of r? R is under root of a square plus b square. What is a value? 7. So 7 square. What is b value? 24 square. 7 square is 49. 24 square. Just now we did. What is 24 square? 576. You try to do it once. Okay, take the different numbers. Okay, so try to do it. Okay, if you practice, you can do it very fast. Okay, so that is 576 plus 49. Kirana shop method. First add 4, 580. Okay, the remaining 20. So if you add 24, this remaining 25. Okay, so 625. 625 is nothing but square root of 25 is 25 square is 625. Okay, so r value is 25, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now square root of 7 plus 24i is equals to under root of 7 plus 24i. This is equal to plus or minus root of r value 25 plus a is 7 divided by 2 plus I into under root of r is 25 minus a minus 7 divided by 2 divided by 2. Okay, so plus or minus 25 plus 7, that is how much? Here also you can use 25. How much
Yes.
we have to add to get the round figure? 5. Add 5 in this. Remaining 2.
Yes.
Remaining 2. Okay.
Yes.
So 32 under root of 32 by 2 plus I into 25 minus 7. First subtract 5. So it becomes 20. Remaining subtract 2. Okay, so that is 18. Okay, so now plus or minus 16 root 16 and plus I into root 9. What is root 16 value? Root 16 is 4 plus I into 3 square. Okay, so this is final answer is plus or minus 4 plus 3i. So finally we write as 3i. Okay, I into 3 or 3 into I. So these are the problems. Okay, understood?
Yes.
Any more doubts?